Hello, this is Asim Farouk and you are watching Asim's Desi Kitchen. Today we are making big sandwich and you need 2 eggs, 1 tomato, meat masala, bread slices and ketchup. At first we need to fry the meat masala. So we put it in the sandwich. So let's fry it. Put it in egg and then on the tawa and other thing you need. I'm making it quite a desi style. So that's thing. Now the meat masala is fried and ready. Now we have to put it in the bread. Now go to the next step. Take the bread and we got fried meat masala. We can call it tikkiya. Yeah. Now we have to chop some tomato. Now we chop some tomato. Tomatoes and chop, and now we will take breads and put some egg on it for the lubrication, then the meat masala and the tomatoes according to your taste, and the other thing we'll put on it. Then we will take it into the oven for the baking. Let's go. Now we have to put some egg on it, on the outer covering, so that it will not become so hard or become so crunchy. So it will be helpful to do this. And now we have to wait until it is baked. We can determine it with the 2 or 3 minute or it makes smells. Then you can open it. It smells so good. Now you have to put out very carefully. Your hands can burn. It's so hot. Now with the spoon or the some other thing. Now put it in the plate and make it a little sajavati. Now it's time to eat. Mm. Now have some decoration time. Put some egg in center the way I did it. The tomatoes are outside. The decoration in the meat in the food is much important. Now let's present it. Eat.